So today I thought I would do something a little bit different, and Josh and I are gonna do a double date with one of our friends, and we're doing a Derby Day brunch at this place called Barn 8. So I thought that I would go ahead and vlog a little bit of our experience just because I thought it would be fun. And I also filmed some clips of me like doing my makeup and my hair and just kind of like showing my outfit. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using a new product. It's not necessarily new, but it's new to me, and you guys have been recommending this. This is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator. I'm just going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to prime with that first. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to throw in clips of us going to this Derby brunch or if I'll just kind of do some vlogs after this. I just really haven't decided how I'm going to put the footage together, but I'm super excited to be going with my friend and doing this double date thing with them. This is, I think it's marketed as a medium to, or a light to medium. Yeah, sheer to medium tint. So, and using this yesterday, I would have to agree with that. I feel like it does have a good, I would say it's a little bit more coverage than sheer. Like I would say probably light to medium coverage, but it definitely was easy. Like I could build it up really easily, and it had a nice like luminous finish, kind of like a skin like finish, but maybe slightly a little bit more dewy. But I'm curious to see how it's gonna last with that primer. And if maybe some of you guys aren't familiar with Derby, but Derby is like a horse racing event, and it's like I'm not super knowledgeable with all of that, but here where I live, because I live right outside of Louisville where they have the race, it's just such a big deal to our city. And they have so many like Derby events, like kicking off Derby, but today is the actual Derby day. I just figured I would show you guys the makeup that I'm doing and like how I do my hair. Well, I probably won't show too much with the hair, but like, cause I'm just gonna be wearing it straight, so it's not really too much to do with my hair. I just basically blow dry it and just use a straightener a little bit on the ends. But I wanted to also show you guys like my outfit and everything. So, and I'm just gonna lightly set everything. I want to test this bronzer out today. I have not used this in a video. This is the NYX matte bronzer, and this is in the shade medium. I figured now, since got a little bit more color, I could probably use this bronzer. And I'm just using my large powder brush that I got from an Amazon brush set, so I will link that down below. But absolutely love this brush. But I do really like the tone of this NYX matte bronzer. It's kind of got a little bit of like a reddish, warm undertone to the bronzer. Just kind of like mix these two pinks together, back and forth. And just gonna lightly put that on like the apples of my cheeks and then just kind of blend it up and back. And then for the highlight, I'm gonna use the Balm Mary Luminizer, which is a pretty like champagne gold. Okay, and then while I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm gonna first go ahead and prime my eyelids so that can be kind of drying before I go in with my eyeshadow. So I kind of went a little bit backwards today with my makeup, but I just wanted to get like my base done before doing my eyes. And I might go back and add more blush or whatever, like especially after I do my lips. You guys know how it goes. And then with the brows, I'm gonna first use the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and then I might go in with a little bit of brow powder, just depending on how everything looks. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up. And what I've been doing lately with the brows is like brushing the hairs up in the front here, and then on the back side of the brow, I've just been kind of following like the natural, like the way that my brows naturally laid down. Just to kind of, it's like, it gives them that fluffy brow look, but not like too overly done. Like it looks a little bit more natural. And for the eyes, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Desert Glow Envy palette. I know you guys are probably getting sick of me using this palette, but I am in love with this. I just love this palette so much. I'm gonna go in with the shade up here first, and I'm using the Morphe M441. And I'm gonna blend this here in the crease. I just find that the shades in this blend out so nice, and I just really love the colors in here. They're so pretty for spring and summer. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of the pink down here, and I'm gonna put that right at the top of the crease, just slightly under the brow bone. Then for the brow bone, I'm gonna use the shade, this light cream. On the lid, I'm gonna be using this sparkly champagne. And with these are like the glittery shades in this palette, they are mostly like eyeshadow toppers. So I do recommend either using these over top of an eyeshadow color or to like intensify them. But I'm gonna use this one on its own since it is kind of close to my skin color. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna pack it on the brush first, tap off the excess, and then I'm just gonna use a makeup setting spray to just intensify it and also help it to not have fallout whenever I go to apply it. And I was just using the LA Girl makeup setting spray. I have just found that this is the best way to apply these glitter toppers to ensure that they're not gonna have fallout and to make them like the most intense. But like such a pretty just color. Oh, I love it. Then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with a mix of the dark brown and this warmer brown. And I'm gonna use my Sigma Pencil E30, just grab a little bit, knock off the excess. And both of these shades are really pigmented, so it takes just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back with the light cream. And I'm gonna use this as my inner corner highlight. And then I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Highbrow Duo Pencil in the pink linen shade, and I'm gonna put that in the waterline just to brighten my eyes up a little bit more. And this is why I have been loving this palette, is because you can just create really pretty everyday eye looks with it. And you can also do really fun, colorful looks. Like anytime I do my makeup, this is the palette that I've been reaching for. So I really recommend it. I love it so much. And I've already done several tutorials with this, so I will link a playlist above with all of those tutorials or like get ready with me's that I've done using this palette if you're maybe curious to see some of the other looks that I've done, or maybe if you have this palette and are looking for different ways to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lipstick and then come back and finish out the eyes, because I'm going to apply false lashes today, kind of do more of a full glam look. So for the lips, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in the shade Rogue. Just going to put a little bit more blush on. But I've really been enjoying this lip color. It's just the perfect pink. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more definition to the crease. And I think I might go in with just a little bit of this brown. And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow brush here. This is the Sigma, I think, yeah, E45. And I'm just gonna kind of put that like above where I put the lid shade. And then I'm gonna go back with the blending brush and just blend around the edge of that. Make sure there's no harsh edges. And then I am gonna do eyeliner today because I'm gonna put on some false lashes. And I'm just going to use the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in deep brown. Okay, and then before I do my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and mist my face with my makeup setting spray, and I'm just using the Urban Decay All Nighter. And then I'm gonna let that dry down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. So I'm gonna use these false lashes from Believe Beauty. These are Fantasize finish. And I did use these the other day in another tutorial, like in my full glam video. And I think I'm just gonna, like, I had already cut them in half. I'm not for sure if I'm gonna use like the last half or the front half, but I'm just gonna throw these on and put some mascara on, and then I will show you guys like the finished look with like the hair, my dress, like the whole outfit that I'm gonna be wearing today.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go cause you're a work of art.
So this is the final look, what I'm gonna wear today. So this is the final look. This is my hat, my dress, my everything. So I will try to link everything down below that I can if you're curious about anything. So, but yeah, we are getting ready to head out.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. I dance the night away no matter what they say. Dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. I dance the night away no matter what they say. 2 a.m. and you lost your friends. Pretend I don't know how this night will end. I feel your heartbeat. The DJ plays. Oops.
You having fun, babe? He's so cute. These are the retired thoroughbreds, I think.
Oh, I like this better with the red.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it'll be like super.
Oh, look, he's running. Oh, he's galloping. Hey, buddy. Say hi. What are you doing? You coming to see if we got some foods? Hey, babies. Hi. Say he thought we had some food.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Baby.
Oh, you're so pretty. Pretty. Hi. Big nosy. Hi.
Oh, he's laying down. He's gonna roll around. Oh, he's so cute. So you're a character, huh? Are those flies bugging you? Gotta get those flies off. Yeah. Yeah.
You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art.